In this video I'll show you how to install the Z-axis end stop onto this top plate. This is the top plate with the little bracket that's standing up there. So to save on nuts, we're actually just going to tap two little holes in here, and this end stop will sit in there. We'll put these two little M3 by 10mm button head machine screws into the holes. So first things first, this end stop here is too long for the position that it's in, so we're just going to trim off a little bit off that. I'll just use my pliers to do that. Just trimming at this first bend. In fact, we're going to do that with all of the end stops. The smaller ends, the end stops with the smaller levers are slightly too short for what we're wanting, but the ones with the long levers are slightly too long, so we're just going to trim down ones with long levers. So I'm just going to tap these two holes. I'm going to take the wire, there's a little slot in here, and push that through there, sit the end stop in place, making sure that the lever is facing out this way. Just put the little bolt through there. Do that up, and same for the other side. And that's done.